Hi. Hello. Welcome back to another Too Good To Go unveiling. So this is a grocery bag from my local Morrisons. And this was on dynamic pricing. So they start off around $4.99, and as the day goes on, you've got between 11 and then 9 o'clock at night to pick them up. Sometimes the time changes actually, so just check the time. So this was £3.29. It went down to £3.99 because there were still 3 left, and I waited by time. Then it started to rain, so I thought, should I do it? Shouldn't I do it? And I did. I got 2. I managed to get 2. There were 3 left, and I got 2 for £3.29 because I don't get these often. And they're probably most of the time they're sold out, so they don't get the chance to be reduced. But these bags are heavy. So I got these in my other local Morrisons. One, for some reason, is in an Amazon bag with no handle. And because it was raining, I put these into another bag. It's falling apart. So let's see what we got. So some Mediterranean vegetables. So the heaviness from experience could also be potatoes. So, or it could just be ram-packed with other stuff. You've got some mushrooms, some spinach rocket. Yeah, you can see where the bag's kind of giving up there. Got some corn. We've got some pears. I've got some strawberries. If you'll notice, 12th is today. See, that has the 16th on it. So some of them actually don't actually have are actually out of date yet. You've got plums. These are always so hard. Some spring onions here. Some tender stem broccoli. Some more strawberries. Different kinds of strawberries here. Some mange tout, super snap peas, and some more strawberries here as well. This wasn't a day for strawberries, was it? Remember, this is only one of 2. And some more peas. So that's the bag number 1. There's a fair amount in there, and as you can see, look, this is the bag. It really did give up. There's actually still water lingering in the other one. This is number 2. As you can see, this was, for some reason, it's in an Amazon bag. Because they do Amazon orders, I guess, so let's just forget. This video is not sponsored by Amazon. Oh, some cherries. I know someone will like them. Cherries. This is grapes. Got some more broccoli. This is a very, very healthy bag. Nectarines. See, look, 16th of February. Some more mushrooms. Sometimes when you get bags, some avocados. I can make some guac. I never actually really made guacamole before I started getting these bags, and because sometimes there's quite a few loose ones in some of them, I actually started making guacamole and quite like homemade guacamole, so it's good. So these definitely brought a new horizon. Some more strawberries. This was a day for nobody wanted strawberries. Bistro style salad. Something heavy in here. Some more nectarines. Some more strawberries. Strawberries. Some pak choy. And no, actually fennel. I'm not quite sure. There's a lot of recipes. This is the first time I've ever got fennel in a bag, because it has like a licorice aniseed flavour. Oh, that's nice. Blueberries. I could tell they were heavy, and for the first time, okay, these do sometimes get left because I'm not quite sure what to do with radishes, apart from like in a salad. They sometimes do get left. What's this? Is this sage? The first time I've ever got sage as well. Oh, I think the plums might have got a bit. Why do people do this? Why? Why is there a cucumber portion? Why do you need a half a cucumber for? And some. As again, why do you need sliced runner beans? That's the first time I've ever got those as well. You can see there's still some water in it. I'll put everything back in there in a minute. So as you can see, this was bag number 2, which was completely different than the first bag. As you can see, completely different. Besides, some things the same. Strawberries and the nectarines and the mushrooms were both the same. Everything else was different. So sometimes when you buy them, you do get 2 bags exactly the same. I have had that before. Very rare, but I have had that happen. See, the blueberries are not even out of date yet. They've got tomorrow's date on them. Yeah, so go in with this, that something, obviously the stuff is going to be on its date, past its date, or close to its date. So that's that first bag, and that's the second bag. Look how much we've got for $6.58. $6.58 for all of this. Now this is not an example of how they always are. Sometimes they could be half of this, sometimes they could be exactly like this. And for the first time ever, there was no potatoes. So the weight was purely because of volume. And no potatoes inside, or onions. So it's pretty good. And I like to get these because it kind of encourages you to use the stuff in your store cupboard and to think about the things that you've got and the things you've got in your freezer. And it gives you like that really steady cook kind of vibe because you look at ingredients. There are websites too where you can type in ingredients and then get recipes. I think I've never used them, but it's a good chance to try new things. I would never buy fennel or radishes. I probably would never have bought avocados either. I wouldn't really buy sage. But then people fry those who have crispy sage leaves, so that's something you could have. So it's a good chance to try different things that you never normally would have. And things you might like, things you might not like. So, waited all day to put these into a video. So I'll put them back in the bag for now. I'll stick some stuff in the fridge that needs it. And we'll work out what we're going to make with it. So stay tuned to my Insta, where I'll do a breakdown of what I get to make with all this stuff. Because I usually post a picture of the bag, and what we made out of it, out of the dishes over, like maybe this week, next week, maybe a bit longer. Some will just get eaten as it is, like fruits and stuff. Some I'll definitely make into desserts, main meals, side salads, and maybe some guacamole for the avocados. Definitely have to do something with strawberries. Maybe a strawberry tart. Or a trifle, or a flan. Do people still make flans? Anyway, thanks for watching this. If you like this kind of content, check out the other videos on the food waste playlist, where I look at Too Good To Go boxes and other waste boxes. What do you get? Is it worth it? And subscribe. Also, if you want to see more videos like this. So I need to go put this all away and figure out what I'm going to make. And I'll see you in the next episode. Okay?